Hey friends, welcome to Vedyug. I'm your science mentor. So, friends, let's initiate our next chapter, which is towards green energy. And let me tell you, dear friends, this chapter is one of the important chapter because this chapter can be used in our day-to-day life to save our beloved Mother Earth. But before proceeding towards the lesson, let's take a small overview regarding green energy. We will follow the same drill where I am going to ask you some questions and you can take your time to answer it. But if you can't, so don't worry. मैं आपके साथ हमेशा हूँ. So my first question would be, what is energy? So energy is the ability to do work or cause a change in a matter. Then my next question would be, what are some different types of energies? So I know you are going to give its answer, but if you can't, so don't worry. Because there are various types of energy which includes kinetic energy, potential energy, thermal energy, chemical energy, electrical energy, nuclear energy, light energy and sound energy. Let us move forward. What are different forms of energy? So the different forms of energy are different from types of energy. So the different forms of energy are mechanical energy, radiant energy, thermal energy, electrical energy, chemical energy, nuclear energy and magnetic energy. So friends, let us jump to the topic. So topics we are going to cover in this chapter or in this part of the video would be use of various energy sources. So let's get started. So first we will learn about energy and use of energy. We know that energy is important like food and shelter. We need different types of energy such as mechanical, chemical, sound, light and heat. We require these different forms of energy to do various types of work. But how do we get these different forms of energy from? So its answer is pretty simple. The energy sources include fossil fuels, nuclear reactions, wind, solar, hydro, geothermal and biomass. But where do we use electrical energy in our day-to-day life? So we use electricity for lighting, heating, cooling, cooking, transportation, communication and entertainment. My next question would be, how is electric energy produced? So electricity is produced by turbines with sources like coal, gas, nuclear, wind, solar, hydro, geothermal and biomass. Let us now learn about generation of electrical energy. So typically generators are used which have rotating magnets and stationary conductors to produce electricity. Electromagnetic induction is the principle behind this process. Then turbines are used to rotate the generator. Rotation creates a changing magnetic field which produces electric energy. You can see the working of turbine in the diagram given below, which has rotating electric magnet. This given flow chart will show you the generation of electrical energy. First, proper energy sources to run the turbines is used, which gets transferred into turbine generator. And if that energy in turbine generator will further gets converted into electrical energy. So thermal energy based electrical power station is our next subpart. So steam rotates the turbine to generate electricity. Steam is produced by the heating water with thermal energy from burning coal. The steam is converted back into water and reused. This method is used to generate electricity. The given flow chart will show the generation of electrical energy using thermal energy. So first, fuel coal would be there. Then if we move it forward, we get electrical energy by using steam turbines, generator and boiler for conversion of water to steam. Let us now learn about energy transformation in thermal power plant. So chemical energy in coal is generated into thermal energy. The kinetic energy in steam get converted into kinetic energy in turbines and then eventually it get converted into electrical energy. You can see the schematics of thermal power plant in the diagram given below. Dear friends, thermal power stations burn coal to generate electricity using a turbine. But this process causes pollution and contributes to global warming. So dear friends, Here we have completed a part of this chapter. I hope you have enjoyed and learned something about electricity generation by various means. So in the next video, we will learn about electricity generation problem and power generation plants based on the energy of natural gas. Till then, I insist you to Google and ask your parents as well as friends as well as relatives who are well interested and know about power generation. We will definitely meet in our next part of the video. Till then, happy learning.